What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing the right hand man skin from Among Us. Let's get started in the center of our page with the top edge of the visor. So we're going to start on the left side. We're going to draw a curve that goes up the middle and we'll bend that back down on the right. And then we'll round out the side of the visor. Starting on the left, just going to curve this out and then bend that back in. Go to the top right and do the same thing. Now I just want to pull this in and up towards the middle. Let's start back on the left. Come down and pull that up, and then come down and out towards the right. Let's add a seam across the center of the visor, starting in the middle, and go straight up, and then bend that out towards the left. Let's draw the eye on the right side. We're going to start at the very top, just going to curve in and then down. Now this eye is going to be bean shaped. From the top, just going to round this out, come down along the right side, come down towards the bottom, come down and then up, and then we'll close off the outside with a curve going out and then down. I'm also going to add a shadow along the left side, starting from the top, come down, and then just bend that in. Let's move down and draw on the mustache. We'll start from the bottom left corner of the visor, curve out, down, and then bend that in. Go to the right side, we're going to go in the opposite direction. Going to bring that down towards the same height. And now we're going to bring the mustache back up towards the center. Starting at the bottom left, curve up and then in. Go to the right side. I just want to pull this in and up towards the middle. Come in and then bend that up. Now we're going to separate the body in half. Let's start with the left side. Starting from the top of the visor, we're going to curve up and then out, and we'll work our way along the left side of the body. We're going to go out, bend this down, and round up the side of the body and then pull that in towards the bottom left side of the foot. Let's go back up to the top, step down, draw on the right side of the head. We're going to curve this out and then down, and draw the inside edge. Stepping up, just follow that same curve, going out and then down on top of the visor. Now we're going to draw on the right side of the body. Underneath the mustache, we're going to come straight down and then bend that in towards the same height. And then we'll round out the bottom of the feet. Starting on the left, curve down, and then up. Do the same thing on the right side, leaving a gap in between the legs. And then from the left side, we draw a straight line going up towards the body. Curve the body going out and then up. Go to the inside of the right foot and draw a straight line going up underneath the body. And then we'll separate the lower half of the body. From the center of the mustache, we're just going to curve down and over towards the left, towards the bottom of the body. Let's move all the way over towards the left and draw on the backpack. Starting from the top, just going to curve this out and then down. Come all the way down towards the bottom, go out and then up. We'll connect the top and bottom with that same curve. Out, down, and then in. Let's add a shadow across the backpack and the body. We're starting on the top left, step down, curve down and then in. And then from the side of the body, we're going to step up, curve down, go in behind the mustache. Now we're going to continue on the inside of the mustache, coming down, and then back up on the right. Let's add some rivets on the right side of that center seam. Starting from the top, start with a black dot. Now underneath the mustache, we're going to add one along the top, one in the middle, and then one on the bottom. Now we're going to move up and layer the hat in behind the top of the head. We start on the left side. We're going to draw an oval. We're going to go out, pull that up across the top of the head. I'm just going to round this out and then pull that back in. And now we'll draw the outside of the hat brim, starting on top of the backpack. Start by going out, round this out, and pull this up. We continue that curve coming across towards the top, and then come straight across. Just bend that up on the right. Now we're going to round out the right side of the hat brim, come down, and just pull that in towards the right side of the head. Now we're going to layer the top of the hat in behind the hat brim, starting over on the left, curve up, and then out, go over towards the right, go up, bending this out towards the right, and then we'll close off the top. Starting on the left, go up, and bend that down on the right side. And that's pretty much it. There's a right-hand man skin from Among Us. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you check out our Among Us playlist. I'll leave the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.